The 7 weapons every believer must choose. The whole armor of God, according to Ephesians chapter 6, 13 to 18. Okay, do you ever feel like you are under attack mentally, emotionally, spiritually, financially, maritally, career-wise? The reason is not just life, it's a war. And the Bible reveals 7 powerful weapons you need to stand and never fall. Most people only know 6, but I will show you all 7 and how they will transform your walk with God. Let's go. Number 1, the belt of truth. Truth is your foundation, your integrity, your honesty. It holds everything together. No truth, no power. Then number 2, the breastplate of righteousness. This is not just, it is not a self-righteousness. It's an upright heart, free from bitterness, guilt, and compromise. It guides your heart from being a target. Number 3, shoes of the gospel of peace. Evangelism is the heartbeat of God. Evangelism is not just obedience, it's protection. Those who spread the gospel walk with supernatural immunity. Daniel chapter 12 verse 3 says, such people shine like stars. Number 4, the shield of faith. This is your defense system. Faith blocks the flaming arrows of fear, doubt, anxiety, not some, but all the dart of the enemy. Number 5, the helmet of salvation. It guides your mind. This means knowing your identity. You are one with Christ and seated in heavenly places. That truth will protect your thinking in the heat of battle. Number 6, the sword of the Spirit. The only offensive weapon you have. This is the word of God in your mouth. It's not enough to hold the Bible, but speak it, declare it, use it. Now, number 7, constant prayer. Here's the one most people forget. Praying always. This activates all the other weapons we mentioned. So, tongues, petition, intercession. This is your divine communication system. It keeps heaven backing you up. Listen, these weapons don't just win the battle, they maintain your victory. You may have shouted victory at the altar, but if you don't wear this armor daily, you will lose what you have gained. The enemy is not afraid of Christians who shout. He's afraid of Christians who stand. And with these 7 weapons, you will be unshakable. If this blessed you, hit the like button, subscribe for more spiritual depth, and share this with someone who needs to armor up. Comment below, which of these weapons do you need to sharpen your day? This is not just inspiration, it's revelation. Put on the whole armor of God and stand. God bless you.